we got ourselves a fancy doghouse for two. Hey there, crafty amigos and amigas. It's me, Steven, from CraftyAmigo.com, a website that allows you to build DIY projects from off-the-shelf parts without having to know any 3D modeling right inside your web browser. Here's the top 10 projects. All right, well, let's check out those projects, see what we got. Oh, look at this thing. Very cool. We got ourselves, looks like a coat rack, shoe rack. Coat rack with a shoe rack. This thing's nice. You can see here, you've got little cubbies. What is that? 6 cubbies plus that center cubby right there. You've got the upper area right there to put those little hooks to hang those coats on right there. I love it. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Project number 2. Look at this guy. This is just called it an organizer. Hang things on it, hang things across the 3 things. Be a good ski rack. Put your skis on there, your snowboards. Metal rack for holding up your metal material. Yeah, very nice. I love the casters down there. You've got these nice, strong, so these triangles right here. Those are going to be nice support for those vertical risers. Very nice. Go ahead and move on to project number 3. Garden table. Look at that nice little enclosed bed, a little tabletop up there, a little under the table workshop. Let's give it a 360-degree spin. Yep, that looks real nice. Very impressive. Nice use of the slats there. Again, you get that triangulation there for support. Project number 4. What we got here? We got ourselves a fancy doghouse for 2. All right. Look at this thing. Okay, so they built it on a raised frame here so that these boards that the dog's going to be laying on don't actually get wet if it rains or, hosing down the yard or whatever. That's very thoughtful. This is a very clever design. Very good. And I like the little divider in there so each dog feels like they have their own home. Or, if they're feeling like they want to cuddle together, they just pop right next door. No big deal. It's a cart of some sort for carting things. What would you cart with this? I mean, I get it. You can probably put like a basket in here or, some netting or some cloth. Fill that in. You can put really anything in there. Okay. Beach cart. It's a beach cart. Look at this. So you got the big beach wheels. They're using that metal axle to PVC approach down here on both sides. That's great. I think what we got going on here then, since it's a beach cart, is this is your surfboard holder. So it's good for 2 surfboards, a bunch of towels, and your picnic basket. And a nice little push cart there. Maybe something to hold your trash bag here at the end. Great design. Love to see this built in real life. Let's see. Next, Project 6. We are now on Project 6. This is a lovely playhouse. Very nice. I wish there was a back window, but the 2 side windows, that's nice. A good breeze. It looks like there's a little door here. Very cool. You got some attic vent holes there. Anything on the inside? No. You should probably add like a little play kitchen area in there or something. That'd be nice. Cool design. I like the 45-degree roof here. Very nice. All right, so what do we got next? It's a royal bed. That's cool. You got those slats all the way around and this nice little single entrance. I like the posts here. That's fun. Oh, well, it's very fancy. Very nice. Cool. On to the next one. Whoa, what have we here? This is a couch made out of PVC. All right, a sectional made out of PVC. Look at this. I wonder if this would be strong enough to work. I suppose, let's see what size pipe they used. 1 inch, okay, 1 inch pipe. Yeah, that could be strong enough. There you have it, your PVC sectional. Give it a nice roundabout view. I wonder if this would be cheaper than a real couch, though. Not that this isn't a real couch. All right, getting down to the last 2. Here we go. What do we got? Some sort of a photo booth, maybe? What's that down there? It's like a little foot pedal, place for controller, mouse, keyboard. Sit back there. I don't know, like a simulator? The simulator box. Closed cockpit sim. Cool. So yeah, that's just a little flight simulator box. What's the last one? Here we go. What? That is quite the cart. It's a moon buggy. No, I don't know what it is. It's called a BWAG-1. So we've got, this is so interesting. All right, so I'm going to start with the front. So it looks like we've got these guys here. Those look like mount points, so you can actually mount them to something else, like a tow it, or it tows something. Then we've got this back here, which this looks like it lines up as a tow hitch to match with that. Not sure what this guy is for. Then we've got this over here as kind of an arm to hold long pieces. These on either side, I don't know if those are trying to be seats or, again, holding something. This is quite the cart, quite the opening in the middle. Not sure what you're going to put in there, but all right, guys. Well, That's our top 10 projects for the month. Always exciting to go through them. Make sure you hop over there at CraftyAmigo.com. Click around. You can play around with these designs, customize them, change them, use them for yourself. Can't wait to see what you guys have made for next month. Go ahead and post those projects in the comments below from CraftyAmigo.com. And hey, your project might just be up here next. Who knows?